Emma and Tom lived in a small town by the river. They were not rich, but they were happy together. They shared a tiny apartment with one window and one old sofa. Every morning, they drank tea together before work. Every night, they talked quietly before sleep. Winter was coming. The air was cold and the days were short. Christmas was only 1 week away. Emma worked at a flower shop. She loved flowers and soft colors. Tom worked at a small repair shop. He fixed clocks, radios, and old watches. They did not talk about gifts. They both knew money was tight. Still, Emma thought about Tom every day. She wanted to give him something special. Tom had one thing he loved very much. It was his old silver watch. It was not new, but it was his father's watch. Tom checked it many times a day. Emma saw how careful he was with it. Emma also had something special. She had long, beautiful hair. It was dark and shiny. Many customers at the flower shop said, "Your hair is so pretty." On Christmas Eve, snow fell quietly. The town looked soft and white. Emma walked home slowly after work. She stopped in front of a small shop. In the window, she saw a leather watch chain. It was simple and strong. It was perfect for Tom's watch. Emma looked at the price. Her heart beat fast. It was expensive. She touched her hair and thought for a long time. Then she took a deep breath and walked inside. That evening, Tom was also thinking. Emma loved her hair, but she also loved warm scarves. She often looked at scarves in shop windows. Tom wanted to buy her a soft one. Tom opened a small box under his bed. Inside was his watch. He held it gently. "I'm sorry," he whispered. He sold the watch that night. Christmas morning came quietly. The room was cold, but their hearts were warm. They sat on the old sofa. "I have something for you," Emma said. Her hair was short now. Tom looked at her. He was surprised, but he smiled. "It's beautiful," he said softly. Emma gave him a small box. Inside was the leather watch chain. Tom's hands stopped moving. I have something too," Tom said. He gave Emma a soft, warm scarf. It was gray and very gentle. Emma touched it and smiled. Then she looked at Tom's empty hands. "Tom, where is your watch?" she asked. Tom smiled and looked down. "I sold it," he said. "I wanted to buy you the scarf." Emma's eyes filled with tears. She laughed and cried at the same time. "I sold my hair," she said. "I wanted to buy you the chain." They looked at each other. Then they laughed again. The chain had no watch. The scarf was for hair that was gone. Still, they were happy. Tom took Emma's hands. "We gave everything," he said, "and we got love." Outside, the snow kept falling. Inside the small room, it was warm. That Christmas, they learned something important. The best gifts are not things. They are love, kindness, and sacrifice, and those gifts never break.